Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dee, and today I'm excited to share a quick tutorial on how I have painted this sweet little cute phone case for my sister. So the material that we need is obviously the phone case, a jar for our brushes to clean, a palette in which we are going to put the paint, and I'll show you which colors I have used. A few brushes. I have used round brushes mostly. The colors that we are going to use is titanium white, yellow ochre, and last but not the least, burnt sienna. I'm thinking to create a half sunflower kind of thing, so we need the center to be marked. I'll use the cap of my gesso, so I'm going to use burnt sienna to paint over the cap so it could give me the guidance of the curve from where I want my flower to be. As I have marked the line, I will be using the mixture of white and yellow ochre to create a very light tintish yellow ochre for the base of my flower. I'm just going to use the color, tap it on my phone case, push it and come at the center. That's it. Brush, push, come at the center. Use again, brush, push, come at the center. That's it. And that's how I'm going to cover the whole area or the whole flower. I'm going to paint it in the layers first. First, I will start with the light color. To create the depth, I will use the darker shade on it, and then I will end it or complete it with the white, so that the flower could pop. After completing the flower, I'm going to use burnt sienna to create the center portion of the flower. While using burnt sienna, I have created a lighter base for the mid part of the flower. To complete the flower, I'm going to search for a brush which is harder or which could create a structure or give it a little texture of the center part. So I've used my old brush which is very hard and dry or which I forgot to wash, and these type of brushes are perfect to create these textures. So I'm just lightly, very lightly dabbing the brush on the color and so on the flower again. Just very lightly dab all over the area to create the central part, and once it's dry, I'm going to use yellow ochre or the mixture of burnt sienna and yellow ochre for the top of it, and our little sketch or our little cover is completed. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below letting me know what would you like to see next. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more art tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.